wanted to do was get the very best scientists from around the world to come together and work out how we understand life in molecular detail. So we've had people from internationally coming here to work together to talk about their latest research. But then the conversation is all about the outreach of that science, so its impact is understood by school children, by the local community, by industry. And so this event with the stalls around us is so we can actually show the impact of our research to the community as a whole.
We have a series of activities around electron microscopy at Leeds. So we have a virtual reality tour of our microscopy lab and a liquid nitrogen demonstration, which has gone down particularly well with the sixth form students, as well as a series of three-dimensional models demonstrating the sorts of projects that we work on here at Leeds.
After the Second World War, Astbury had a vision. He wanted to establish a centre in Leeds for this new science that he called molecular biology. Sounds very complicated. It's not really, it's all about understanding living systems in terms of the shape of the big molecules from which they're made, like proteins and DNA, and he wanted Leeds at the centre of that. Jump forward to today and we've got the Astbury Centre with a £17 million investment and two of the world's most powerful cryo-electron microscopes, so I think Astbury would have been very happy in the end to see that.
It's accessible to a wide audience. We had some sixth form children here today who enjoyed the plenary lecture from Brian Kabilka, and so we are trying to explain the concepts of molecular biology to a very broad audience.
It's a great conference. What I like is that there's a huge attendance, a lot of people at every talk. So conferences of that size normally have just sessions of 50 people, only specialists. But here you're able to talk to people across disciplines, and that's special.
There was a whole session that I thought was absolutely fabulous, and then capped off wonderfully by Brian's talk at the end. It was just so delightful to hear him tell about how he got to where he was and what inspired him for the prize.
So the stall that we've got on today is trying to demonstrate that there's more to sugars than just the sugar that you have in your tea, and sugars actually play an integral role in a lot of the stuff we do in day-to-day life, such as fertilisation, immune response, and this stall showcases how there's a lot more of a complex life to sugars.
So this is the second Astbury Conversation. We already have the dates for Astbury Conversation 2020 on our website, and we hope that the event will continue to grow and get more exciting and bigger, involve people from around the world in the future. So we hope it'll run every 2 years as long as we live.
It's been a fascinating conference. I really enjoyed it and I learned a lot.
It's a fantastic facility and really great science goes on here.
Sure, I would like to return in 2020.
It's a long way to come from California, but it's definitely worth it. So I'd like to come back.